Question number 1. If P and Q are the midpoints of XC and XC and IP equal to XQ, then show that XC equal to XC. Were you able to do it? You chose yes, and it is correct. Question number 2. Find the value of angle theta in the diagram in degree. Excellent choice. 30 is the right answer. Question number 3. John is of the same age as Mohan. Ram is also of the same age as Mohan. State the Euclid's axiom that illustrates the relative ages of John and Ram. Clear logic. Your choice first axiom is sound and 100% true. Question number 4. State whether the following statement is true or false. In geometry, we take a point, a line, and a plane as undefined terms. Nice selection. True is the correct and valid answer. Question number 5. The Indus Valley Civilization, the brick used for construction work, were having dimensions in the ratio. Correct. 4:1 is the right answer. Question number 6. What type of angle is this? Exactly. Acute makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 7. Find x if A by C, D if. Nicely done. X equal to 20 degrees is a solid answer. Question number 8. For every line L and for every point P not lying on L, there exists a dash M passing through P and parallel to L. You got it? Your choice unique line is right. Question number 9. It is known that if x plus y equal to 10, then x plus y plus z equal to 10 plus z. The Euclid's axiom that illustrates this statement is. Solid response. Second axiom is a valid choice. Question number 10. It is known that if p equal to q and x equal to y, then px equal to qy. The Euclid's axiom that illustrates this statement is. Great thinking. Third axiom is the right choice. Question number 11. If AB and D intersect at C, and if AC equal to DC and CB equal to C, the which of the following relation is correct? Good thinking. AB equal to 2 is the right answer. Question number 12. State whether the following statement is true or false. The boundaries of the solids are curves. Great job. False is the accurate answer. Question number 13. Say true or false. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. On track. True is the correct answer. Question number 14. Euclid used the term postulates for the assumptions that were specific to dash. Correct response. Geometry is the most accurate answer. Question number 15. Euclid's fourth axiom says that everything equals itself. Is this true or false? Smart move. True is an accurate answer. Question number 16. If AB equal to BC equal to 2x, AC equal to, then for what value of x B lies on x? Nice work. You chose 8 and it is correct. Question number 17. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely is stated in the form of dash. Perfect. A postulate is the correct choice. Question number 18. If A plus B equal to 32 and A equal to C, then show that B plus C equal to 32. Were you able to do it? Bravo! Yes is the answer. Question number 19. If two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. The above statement is. Smart pick. Always true is the correct choice. Question number 20. Lines are parallel if they do not intersect, is stated in the form of dash. Right again. A postulate is a valid answer.
Question number 21. Euclid stated that all right angles are equal to each other in the form of.
Valid point. Postulate is true. Question number 22. Number of equilateral triangles can be drawn for a given line segments is. Well reasoned. 2 is the correct choice. Question number 23. What is the term for a dot that marks a location or place in space? Strong choice. Point is the right answer. Question number 24. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be B dash to the same time. Good job. Your answer parallel works well here. Question number 25. Can two distinct intersecting lines be parallel to a common line? Well done. Never true is the right choice. Question number 26. Number of planes passing through 3 non-collinear points is. Sharp thinking. 1 is the right choice. Question number 27. Say true or false only one line pass through a single point. Excellent. False is a brilliant choice.
Question number 28. In geometry, we take point, line, and plane as undefined term.
Well picked. True is the correct answer. Question number 29. Euclid divided his famous treatise, The Elements, into dash. You're right. 13 chapters is the correct answer. Question number 30. How many unique lines can pass through 2 distinct points? Right choice. 1 line is the best answer. Question number 31. The total number of propositions in The Elements is. Sharp thinking. 465 is the right choice. Question number 32. There is a unique line passing through 2 given points. Well done. True is the right choice. Question number 33. Who is credited with giving the first known proof? You got it. Your choice, Thales, is right. Question number 34. A pyramid is a solid figure, the base of which is. Correct. Any polygon is the right answer. Question number 35. The boundaries of the surfaces are called as. Correct response. Curves is the most accurate answer. Question number 36. There are dash number of Euclid's postulates. Nice selection. 5 is the correct and valid answer. Question number 37. Which amongst is not a Greek mathematician? Smart move. None of the above is an accurate answer. Question number 38. The number of dimensions a surface has dash. Excellent choice. 2 is the right answer. Question number 39. How many volumes make up Euclid's Elements? Perfect. 13 is the correct choice. Question number 40. The 3 steps from solid to points are. Well reasoned. Solid surfaces, lines, points is the correct choice. Question number 41. Which of the following needs a proof? On track? Theorem is the correct answer. Question number 42. The boundaries of solid are called? Strong choice. Surfaces is the right answer. Question number 43. The side faces of a pyramid are? Valid point. Triangles is true. Question number 44. Boundaries of surfaces are dash. Right again. Curves is a valid answer. Question number 45. A solid has dash dimension. Right choice. 3 is the best answer. Question number 46. The dimension of a point has. Great job. Zo is the accurate answer. Question number 47. Edges of surface are. Good job. Your answer lines works well here. Question number 48. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Exactly. Contact Narayan Changda on Facebook makes sense, and it is right choice.